Hello guys, what's up with this? So today we're going to play Chicken Jockey Abby. So anyways guys, if you want to sub over there, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, this one is Steve. Look at him. Okay. Can I become chicken, please? Okay, so I will become chicken guys. We need to wait until
fall, okay?
fine. I will not fall. Okay, I become a chicken. Oh, so where is it? Jump. Oh, I should just double jump attack, guys. Okay, so me and my brother are playing chicken jockey Abby, I guess. Okay, grab the chest. Grab the chest. Okay, so my guys are going to oops, oops, oops. Oh wait. Oh, okay. So I need to. Oh wait, I should just jump. Go to the ladder, and I will just go there. Okay, so I'm a chicken. So anyways guys, we need to wait until elevator comes. So anyways, this is the elevator. Oops. Hey, hey, there's Minion sitting on player. Hey, stop! Where's Olive? Okay, so anyways, we're going to play the game. Okay, so anyways, I like this game at all. So come on, ride the chicken first. Okay, let me just jump higher. Let me just beat him. Let me just beat him. I did it. No, it's okay, it's okay. What? I'm falling. How? Where? Okay, where? Platform? Okay. Again? Okay. How? Oh, I can't do it. Okay. Okay, come on guys. We need to win this. Oh, we gotta keep lagging. Wow. Wow, no, 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 no. No. Oh my god. I can't see. I can't see because there's okay. Need to press this, but I don't know. I need to jump that. Jump. Okay, where's the go? Okay, let me go to okay, I will just press the button. Where's him? Guys, I guess I wanted to beat that game. Oh, 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 sorry. Oh my god, I go. Well, okay, no. Okay, guys, okay, you made it. Okay, come on, guys, we need to win this. Heck, what the heck? No, get out here. I don't not need Robux. Oh, no. Okay, guys. You know what? I go to leave. Not, guys, I need to leave. But it's so hard. So can I? Yes, it's the one. I will become man, or I don't know. I will become man, I guess, or Steve. I will become Steve, guys. Go, go. Don't, no, don't fall. Yes. Yeah. I am a baby zombie, right? Look at me. Oh wait, I should just use block. Block, block. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so I become man, I guess. I become a Steve, guys. I said. Yeah. Come on, guys. We need to beat that game. Come on. Don't mess the button. Okay, let's go. Don't mess the button. I accidentally fall. No, let's do it again, guys. Let's do it again. Stop. You know what? I'm going to end. Can I end? Okay, guys. We need to win, guys. Okay, so anyways, we're not going to fall. So because I keep on saying, I keep getting bored. I can't even do it. Okay, so I wanted to win, guys. We need to win. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna get blind. Come on, put the, oh, don't get blind. Don't get fall. Yes, yes. Go. Don't ever fall. We need to win, guys. Can I end? Bye bye.